a quick video on how to remove VCT tile in place. This VCT tile was damaged right there. Basically, we are heating everything up, the whole tile, until you can fit a scraper underneath, and then the whole thing should just be able to come up just like that. Just got to make sure that it's wet, so that hot, so that the adhesive gets wet, and then you can actually peel it back. So now it's just coming off everywhere it goes, and this VCT tile will be replaced with our new piece over here. We're gonna add some wax, and that's gonna be it. And then it should just pop right off. Old piece, new piece. This is our part where we're gonna do the repair, and we're just gonna heat up the glue. And it's still very tacky. Probably put a little bit of glue on this side too, and then put it on. But that's how you remove a VCT tile in place.